Alright, we're going to have a little backyard safari with my finished Steampunk rifle. It's a falling black design. Here we have the high pressure tanks. I explained the way it works in a video from a while ago. So this is a high pressure tank, this is a low pressure staging tank, there's a regulator over here and a valve. And okay, so the way we try it, we just push it in, there it is, and there you go. So let's shoot a few targets and then we talk about it some more. Try to hit them low so they don't bounce back. So as you can see, it's pretty accurate. That's because the barrel is actually rifled. You can see this in my video from a while ago. It works really well, but it was designed for something else actually. So the first idea was to make it shoot these darts. Those are Nerf darts. But the front of it, it's very sticky. So what happens is it grabs the rifling, expands, and gets stuck in the barrel. So without modifying the darts, it wouldn't work. So, but modifying the darts would be ridiculous. So, but I found these. These are 5/8 in diameter too, 0.625 of an inch, and they work fabulously. What it is, it's the little cone. The pressure hits it, expands it into the rifling, and gives a nice spin, and they fly really, really true. So let's shoot some animals. We have plenty of pressure. Let's see. Let's shoot the brown beaver. There we go. And the penguin. All the way back there. There we go. And let's see that green fluffy bunny. There we go. And let's see that pink fluffy bunny. So, as you can see, it is pretty freaking accurate. So it is set up for about 35 psi. You can charge these tanks to about 120. regular compressor you can have at home works pretty good, and you get about 20 shots out of 150 psi. So, and at 35 psi, the darts move about 100 feet a second, which is pretty cool. It's safe, it's fun, and the fluffy bunnies fall down perfectly. For comparison, the paintball guns are about 300 feet a second. This one shoots about 100. So this is 5 grams. They weigh about 5 grams, going 100 feet a second. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so let's change the tank and shoot some wood. So the way you change the tank, that's a really easy setup. It's a quick disconnect. So you just grab a new one. So let's see. Let's see if we have enough darts. Down to about 80 psi. So 18 shots, we're down to about 35 psi and 35 psi, so you could probably squeeze off another 2 at full pressure. So there you go. So this is my awesome steampunk rifle. Oh yeah, and I will splice some slow motion videos of the animals. Those are really cool. And thanks for watching. See you.